Sometimes I find it easier to sketch the people I love simply because I'm already familiar with their mannerisms, and in this case I'm drawing my husband Paul and my grandson Casey James on their first ever fly fishing trip together. So I started off with my Lamy Safari pen with water-soluble ink, and it's one of my favourite pens to use. But Lamy also do another pen, which is a calligraphy pen, which is a fantastic pen for getting much thicker and more varied lines. Again, I've chosen to use water-soluble ink. And next I'm going in with my Pentel Japanese brush pen, and the ink in this pen is permanent, which means it won't be disturbed later on when I use some water over the top. And it's perfect for shading really dark areas and getting really thick lines, but also really good for getting very fine lines using just the tip. And you can see already the contrast I've managed to get with the pen. Next I'm going in with my platinum carbon pen, which has a really fine tip, and I'm using this for some really fine hatching. And now here's the fun bit, going in with my water brush, and this is where I can dissolve some of those lines to create lovely shaded areas, but it is important to leave plenty of white too. Now I was going to leave it there, but I decided they kind of need to be placed somewhere, so I'm just quickly going in with a pencil to make sure I get the right angles to the bank. And that works, so I went over the top with permanent pen. After that I'm using my water-soluble Lamy again, just to create some texture in the grass. But rather than wet the areas with the reservoir brush, I decided to do it a much quicker way. I'm using a little spray bottle. So I mask the areas with a bit of scrap paper and just spray the grassy areas, and you can see the texture it creates. By the way, did you like my incredibly realistic baby drawing? A few extra shadows. So there you have it, a quick sketch of two people I love. Why not check out our previous videos, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss your Art Kick Sunday. Meanwhile, you can check out our podcast and find the creative challenges we have coming up at www.kickinthecreatives.com. Back soon!